till now we have covered the concept of ingestion in various formats. Either it can be text file, CSV file, Excel file, JSON, XML, log file. Now we are moving one step forward to a GIF file, or you can say the GIF folder also. In the GIF file, it is a compressed kind of file in which there can be a multiple files inside it. Now, this ingestion, studying this ingestion is one of the major portion which we have to cover. But before covering this, I would request to watch my previous videos. Now we have the GIF file with one CSV file. Here it is only one file available, order.csv inside the GIF folder orders. To read this file, we are again using the function read underscore CSV. It is the most familiar function which mostly we have used it in the CSV format and the test file format also. Again we are using it for the GIF file, but it will work only when we have single file here, orders.csv. It is a kind of an example. Let's open the file. If you can observe here, it is only one file available inside the GIF folder. So what we did, we are applying the read CSV function. In the read CSV function, we are using the GIF format now. It will automatically take up the format and convert that into the data frame. In the above file, I have not specified the compression type, but by default it is a GIF. So here, to showcase you, I will specify the compression type also. And when you have GIF file with the multiple files, in usually and in the practical case, this will be the concept. So what we will do, we can't use the read underscore CSV function directly here. What we will use, but we will copy the path. To copy the path, go to the file and right click that file, and you will get the option. With GIF file is the module, Python module. GIF file.GIF file, inside that module we have the function GIF file, and in that you will specify the path. In the read mode, R means read mode, in the read mode you will open this file, and once you open this file, you can just specify the name, like what are the files which are available in the folder. So these are the files which are available in the folder. Now one by one we will read this file. Same, in the read mode you will open this. Now here in this case, to specify, we are opening only one file to showcase with gif.ref. Here this is the object. Okay, using that object we have opened the specified orders.csv and we have stored that into a data frame. But if you want to read all the files, then what can be the concept? You will apply this function. You will open the folder in a read mode. First step will be this, to open the folder in a read mode, and in a second step you will fetch the name of the files, and in third step you will check whether it is a CSV file or not, and in a fourth step we will open each file and will store that into a data frame. Sorry, this is the name of the file, again name of the file, and just we have removed the CSV .csv so that we can fetch the name of the file. For example, it is orders.csv, then it will become only orders, and we will print that. Now we have the data frames dictionary, empty dictionary initialized before the code, starting of the code. Inside that empty dictionary we will store the each file. How? Data frame name, for example orders, what we have, orders, customers and products. These are the three files. So name of these three files, after removing the .csv, we will get the key of the dictionary. It will be like this: orders, inside that data, then customers, and inside the customers we will have the data, and so on. If you see the output, you can see orders, customers, and product. Here we are printing the name, so these are the names of the key. Now easily from that dictionary you can create the separate data frames, just like here we have done. Thank you.